Hi, this is Rick Hunsicker. I'm the president and founder of Hunsicker Consulting. And we are a company that provides services for seniors and senior living communities and focus on the issues of what is really best for seniors today, especially those that own older homes. And the reason that I'm doing this presentation today is to give you some highlights of a presentation that I do for seniors across the United States about the issues of home ownership versus living in a senior living community. And the reason I do this is because of my passion to help people like you, especially if you're a senior 75 or older with an older free and clear house. I want you to have the best information to make the best decision for you. Again, the motive of this is I'm a heart transplant recipient. 3 years ago, got a new heart. And when I was laying on my deathbed, I thought, oh my gosh, what are you going to do when you get the new heart? And I said, I'm going to help people have the best possible lifestyle and give them education based on my 25 years of senior living. Now, I cover quite a bit in the seminar, and there's not time to do that in these short video clips, so I'm going to go ahead and break this down into 6 sections so that you can choose to look at whichever ones you want. And the 6 sections that we're going to break this down into are the issues of your lifestyle, the issues of your health, your fitness, your security, your socialization, and your financial situation. So we will move forward and to cover one of these sections right now. This is part 2 of what seniors need to know today regarding the financial implications of either staying in a house or moving to a senior living community. And if you are going to choose to move to a senior living community, I wanted you to know there's 2 ways to pay for them. You can rent them, or you can pay what's called an entrance fee and also pay a monthly fee. Many times in entry fee communities, you are buying more than you are in other cases because you are in many cases buying access to future health care, and in some cases you're also buying a discount on future health care costs. So you need to ask, when it's an entry fee community, what additional benefits and advantages in the way of access to and discount on future health care will you be provided. But I can tell you that both kind of communities are very good, and both are the kind that you should consider looking into. Now, when you look at senior living communities versus living in your house, the one thing that I want you to really understand is what you're really paying for in both cases. Because in your house, you're paying the invisible mortgage, and that is the amount of earnings you are not earning with the money that is tied up in your house, not earning interest or not earning dividends. And I refer to that as the invisible mortgage. Then you're also paying your real estate taxes, your insurance, your utilities, your maintenance, your repairs, homeowners association, perhaps bringing in security service, and perhaps bringing in housekeeping services, and any other services that you have done in your house. But the key here is to remember, even if your house is paid for, you do have an invisible mortgage in the lost opportunity income from that home equity not earning you anything. Now, when you move to a senior living community, the entrance fee, if there is one, and the monthly service fee or monthly rent, if it's a rental community, covers all of those expenses that I mentioned to you earlier. It covers the real estate taxes, the insurance, the maintenance, the repairs, the utilities. There's no homeowners association, but any of the maintenance and other fees that they would pay is covered, as well as security and housekeeping. Plus, it includes your meals, and all communities have a variety of meal programs, housekeeping, transportation services typically, lifestyle programs, tons of lifestyle programs, including fitness programs and events and activities and educational opportunities and all kind of cool stuff like that. And then many also provide access to health care. You may move into the independent living area when you're independent, and then later move into assisted living if you ever need it, or into the memory care area if you ever need it, or into the nursing care if you ever need it, either on a temporary basis or permanent basis. Those are referred to as continuing care. Possibly there's a life care advantage or a health care discount also included in the fee. And then the biggest thing that I want you to understand is all of the intangible benefits that come from living in a senior living community, all wrapped up in the term peace of mind. And many people that move to these communities do that because they don't want to be a burden on their family, and they want to have the peace of mind in knowing that they've made the decision of where they're going to get future health care if they need it, and they're not going to be a burden on their family. So I wanted you to hear this additional part on the financial situation of going to a senior living community should you decide to sell your house. Well, I hope this section have given you something to think about, whether owning a house today for someone 75 and older, especially when you have the house free and clear with no mortgage and all that money tied up in it, is it really buying you what you need today? So if you're saying, okay, maybe we are interested in selling our house, I have some information to get you educated on becoming an educated home seller. There's a new service called Senior Relocation USA. It is a partnership with the world's largest relocation company that helps 31,000 people every year across the United States buy and sell homes. And they will provide you, at no cost or obligation to you, access to 2 carefully screened real estate professionals who will come to your house and provide you, at no cost, an education and an analysis on the value of your home, what it would take to sell your home. You're under no obligation to use either of them, but it would provide you the information you need to make the best decision to you. So please check Senior Relocation USA or call 800-237-8877 and talk to one of their real estate counselors. Thank you for listening to this video.